as you can see, actually having a hailstorm here on the ranch. It's not stopping the flies from getting around though. I don't know for sure if you can hear this, but this is one of the things I have to tolerate living out here, is that noise when it rains. Those are the mountains in the last video, the storm video, you couldn't see. I doubt a lot of you watched this one. And there's the gutters. They got a lot of connectors and fittings and attachments and stuff outside there too. Tomorrow morning it'll be 6 months of my living here. Full-time permanent. Uh-oh. Hail's getting bigger. Well, the solar panels are going to be alright. This is bigger hail. Yep, I think the solar panel is going to lose it on this one. The sounds of it. Sounds like they're coming down hard. Yay. God dang it. I get out of here. Come on, out. This is one of the drawbacks of having to live out here in the middle of the boonies, is these ugly views. And I don't know how much the red is showing up on the camera, but those clouds are red, pink, salmon colored. Especially out the clear window there on the right side. I don't know, it's not showing up on the viewfinder here. I don't know what it's looking like. And for those who are curious, some light on so you can see. Oh yeah, see, there's a puppy. He's inside. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it was raining the last video I did. It's supposed to be getting worse, but it's all coming from that direction, and I don't see anything coming by the time they said it was supposed to be gone, so I don't know if you can hear the windstorm outside, but Ruger doesn't care. He has such a, oh, there he is. He has such a rough life. Howdy. All right. Yesterday's hailstorm. I'm up here. I'm gonna check out the damage. So you're gonna see at the same instant I am if there's any cracks in any of the solar panels. So we had some close to golf ball sized hail hitting yesterday. Maybe not quite that big. Oh, look at that. They all look beautiful. So while I'm up here, I thought I'd do another 360 without all the clouds in the sky. To show you that I'm pretty much surrounded by mountains and one neighbor. Almost a full 360. You see they're doing some way over there. Those are the ones that you can't see when I'm down on the ground. Those and those. And you can't see some of those. And then over in this direction you can start to see them. I'm hoping I'm getting this on camera because I can't see it all through the viewfinder. And then there's a neighbor way over there. Oh, there's one back over there. I said they're kind of all around the place. Already done the full 360. Another view for the neighbors and the scenery. There's the neighbor's house way over there. That's the only one that I can see from any place on the ground, except those guys, but that's only in certain places. And then my other neighbor, Chris, has his place over there. I'll give you an idea about how far away it is. And then to the left of him, there's another neighbor. But you can only see him when you're up here on the roof. Down the ground, you know, it's like I don't care what neighbors I have as long as I can't see them or hear them. So, all right. At least the solar panels made it through the storm good.